Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
PRISM.
What does the dictionary say?
A solid having bases or ends that are parallel, congruent polygons and sides that are parallelograms.
Math rap.
A prism is a solid object with two identical ends and flat sides. Like a garbage can, prisms can be triangular, pentagonal, and square. Think of all the prisms that are found everywhere.
Math rap.
Where do flat sides go to when they break math laws? To PRISM. Explain PRISM in your own words. List and draw real-life examples of objects in prism form. Draw an object that is not a prism and label why it does not qualify. What professions are responsible for constructing buildings in prism shapes? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!